I'm Lisa, owner of Geneva Flooring in San Diego. I wanted to help you answer some of your flooring questions. So today I'm going to talk about pets and how they affect each of your flooring options. So luxury vinyl planks, LVP or LVT they call them, are completely waterproof. So it's great for young and old pets and pet stains, and probably also with the oils that come from pet skin when they tend to lay in the same place over and over again. So these planks can be replaced over time if they do get damaged. You can unclick it from the wall and just change out a section. So it's always good to make sure that you have an extra box for those future repairs. But it is completely waterproof, so you're not going to get any buckling. Laminate is actually a high density fiberboard. It's just compressed cardboard. They are doing waterproof laminates now where they wrap urethane 360 around the plank so that no moisture can go in the middle. And I think they're doing wax impregnation on the side in the locking system to help waterproof it as well. So I think laminates are a really great option. With pets, they're also a great option because the lamination doesn't scratch, and an LVP does scratch because it has urethane just like a hardwood. So hardwood is beautiful, and you can do plank replacements on hardwood as well. But over time, the oils from skin actually do darken and stain hardwood. And also it's not waterproof. So although it's pretty stable, if they do pee on it, it's probably gonna evaporate before anything bad happens. But over time, especially if they go in the same areas over and over, you're gonna see rippling and warping of the boards. So I wanted to show you some cool pet-friendly carpet. We really like this new lifeguard carpet that Shaw came out with because it has plastic backing. It seems like, why didn't we do this before? So all of the stain stays in the carpet and you could just rinse it out and it will never get through to the pad. Because I think a lot of times you get your carpets cleaned, but the stain is actually in the pad. So it comes back through and you get those same stains on your carpet that come back through over and over again. So there's also wool carpet that is going to help not take on the oils and stains. And there's different pet protect pads and stuff you could do in the carpet world. So I hope this gives you some information so you could start thinking about what flooring option would be best for you, especially if you have a pet.